that today is a very auspicious day indeed. High Commission of India has the Saubhagya, the good fortune of once more successfully completing a search and rescue operation that started more than a year ago. Last year, we had commenced in collaboration with the London Metropolitan Police the tracking of a statue of Lord Ram, which was believed to have reached the UK after disappearing in 1978 from the Rajgopal Vishnu temple at Anandamangalam at Nagapattinam district in Tamil Nadu, as my colleague Rahul Nangari has just mentioned. Our investigations involved tracking the statue believed to have been with an individual in London. We matched the images of the statue here with photo archives, a very precious photo archives collection available in Pondicherry at the French Institute and the French School of Oriental Studies. So with the help of the idol wing of the Tamil Nadu Police and the support of the Additional Director General, we were able to identify and confirm that the statue found with the individual based in London was the statue that we were looking for. The London Metropolitan Police has given us tremendous support in our efforts to trace the idol and investigate its provenance. But the important thing is that the gentleman who had the statue not only offered to give it to us, but he has also found among his collection that he could also give back to us the accompanying sets of the statue of Lakshmana and the goddess Sita, and he said that he'd like to return them all to our people but to stay anonymous. So I thank the gentleman who has chosen to remain anonymous for his cooperation with us. I also take this opportunity to acknowledge the crucial contribution of the India Pride Project, who have done pioneering work as crusaders for the restoration of Indian antiquities. So I am optimistic that in cooperation with the London Metropolitan Police, we shall continue, and of course with our colleagues in India and our fellow ministries in the Government of India, we will continue our work and hope to bring joy to our people by restoring to our country our precious heritage. Thank you.
May I now request Detective Chief Inspector Kim Wright of Metropolitan Police Service to give his remarks on this occasion on behalf of the police. Thank you.
Firstly, I want to thank the Indian High Commissioner for hosting this handover ceremony to mark this very special occasion. The Metropolitan Police are proud to have been involved in the return of these idols to India. Not only are they beautiful and historically significant, they are, of course, of religious importance, and therefore it is particularly gratifying that they are to be returned to the temple from which they were taken. We are delighted to be joined here today by a representative from the Metropolitan Police's Hindu Association in recognition of the special occasion. Today's successful outcome was achieved through dialogue, and the Arts and Antiques Unit are pleased to have played a role in this. Although we can celebrate a successful return today, our work here is not done, and we look forward to continuing our work in the future. Thank you very much.
Now may I request Sri K. Shanmugam, Chief Secretary, Government of Tamil Nadu, to give his remarks on this occasion. We are very happy that senior officers of Tamil Nadu are joining us today to witness this event, and thank you so much for joining us.
First of all, I thank all of you for arranging this program. This is a very unusual case. The idols lost, which could not be detected in our investigation, has been brought to light due to the efforts of our High Commission. This is a very prestigious recovery, and I thank Sri Vijay Kumar, India Pride Project, for his timely intelligence input. We are extremely thankful to all who have contributed to this achievement. More particularly, Mr. Rahul Mandre, who coordinated the issue efficiently. We also thank Government of India for assisting us to retrieve the statues and helping us to get back the statues. I also thank our idling officers for efficient handling. The buyer, being an innocent purchaser, we thank him for his very generous attitude. We assure that no action will be taken against him. Thank you very much to all of you.
We are very, very happy that the Minister for Culture and Tourism, Shri Prahlad Singh Patel sir, is able to join us today. In spite of his busy schedule, the Parliament is working. So thank you so much, sir, for joining us.
बहुत धन्यवाद। सबसे पहले मैं भारतीय दूतावास लंदन को हृदय से बधाई देता हूँ और आपको शुभकामनाएं भी देता हूँ। 29 जुलाई को पहले भी आपने 2 प्रतिमाओं का और एक स्तंभ को भारत को सौंपा है। मैं दूसरी बात ये भी कहूंगा कि देश की आजादी से लेकर 2013 तक 13 हमारे एंटिक्विटीज भारत आई थी, लेकिन 2014 से लेकर अब तक लगभग 40 से ऊपर एंटिक्विटीज को भारत में वापसी हुई है। मैं इस बात के लिए आप सबका हृदय से धन्यवाद करता हूं। मैं इस समय तमिलनाडु के जो हमारे चीफ सेक्रेटरी हैं, हमारे साथ में यहाँ पर डीजी एएसआई है, लंदन में जो पुलिस के ऑफिसर्स हैं जिनने इसमें मदद की है, उन सबके प्रति भी अपना आभार व्यक्त करता हूं। 40 साल पहले विजयनगर काल के मंदिर की ये प्रतिमाएं हैं जिनकी हम तो अमूल्य कीमत ही उसकी मानते हैं, और भी दुनिया में जब जानकारियां आती है तो मुझे लगता है कि हम सब मिलकर अपने इसी भाव के साथ भारत की इस अमूल्य धरोहरों को उस स्थान पर पहुंचाने के लिए प्रयासरत हैं और मुझे लगता है कि हम सफल होंगे। इसमें लंदन के दूतावास से जो काम किया है मैं उनको फिर से बधाई देता हूं। स्पेशल आईडीएल विंग तमिलनाडु और एएसआई के तमाम अधिकारियों का भी मैं हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूं।
महालक्ष्मी च विद्महे विष्णुपत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। द्वीपे विन्ध्यस्य पश्चिमदिग्भागे समुद्रमध्ये एतत् बृहदारण्यक्षेत्रे लण्डन् महानगरे वर्तमाने व्यवहारिके प्रभवादि 60 संवत्सराणां मध्ये स्वस्तिश्री सार्वरीनाम संवत्सरे दक्षिणाजने वर्षरतौ सिंहमासे कृष्णपक्षे त्रयोदश्यां शुभतिथौ वासरस्तु भौमवासरयुक्तायाम् आश्लेषा नक्षत्र संयुक्तायाम् शुभयोगे शुभकरणे शुभलग्ने शुभमुहूर्ते एवं सद्गुण विशेषेण विशिष्टायाम् अस्यां ममोपात्ते समर्थे दुरितक्षयद्वारा श्री परमेश्वर प्रीत्यर्थम् अस्मिन् लोकेऽनुगतां सर्वेषां महाजनानां विशेषतः भारतीय देशीय सर्वेषां महाजनानां एतत् अलुलगे कार्यालये समस्त अधिकारिणां सर्वेषां महाजनानां सर्वाभीष्टता सिद्ध्यर्थम् देवस्य त्वादविदुप्रदवे अस्यनोर्बाहुभ्याम् पूष्णोस्त गंगे यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदे सिन्धु कावेरी जलेऽस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु ताम्। शान्ताकारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशं विश्वाकारं गगनसदृशं मेघवर्णं शुभाङ्गं सीतासमेतं लघुदवृतं कोदण्डहस्तान्वितं वन्दे रामं भयवेगनं सर्वलोकैकनाथं। श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वर। ओम रामचंद्राय नमः, ओम दशरथ कुमाराय नमः, ओम तत्त्वातीताय नमः, ओम विष्णवे नमः, ओम प्रत्यक्षमूर्तये नमः, ओम सुबालाय नमः, ओम कोदण्डधराय